The boat we're going to tour today is a 2006 Four Winds 278 Vista. She's located in Wilmington, North Carolina. The boat has spent most of her life in fresh water, which if you look at the engine room pictures particularly, that will be very evident. You can see we've got sea deck, the faux teak, and actually that's throughout swim platform, cockpit, and cabin, so no maintenance and looks great. We have an exterior hot-cold shower right here. There's in-transom storage. You can see we've got the full camper canvas arrangement, and there are U-zips throughout. The camper also has screens in it. Take a quick step on board here. I don't know if you can see, but the cockpit lighting's been upgraded to LED. You've got a cockpit wet bar off on the port side here. Got a full U-shaped aft seating arrangement. For the age of the boat, this boat is in amazingly good condition. And yes, if you have further interest in the boat, I would love to help you. She's got an upgraded Clarion stereo system with the waterproof speakers, and it is Bluetooth compatible. You can see we've got a cockpit cooler there with the designated storage area, remote control for that high-end stereo. While I'm looking at it, the cabin door also has a screen door, which is very unusual. I'll come back to it, but she's got the safe walk-through windshield. So we have a double-wide helm seat with storage down below, and you can see the flip-up thigh rises. So you can flip that down, you can sit to drive the boat, you can stand, or obviously lean, whatever's most comfortable for you. She's powered by a 6.2 liter Merc Cruiser engine rated at 320 horsepower. Less than 500 hours since new. So we've got the VHF radio down there, we've got a gas fume detector, control for the spotlight, digital depth finder, and we've got a Lawrence GPS chart plotter. The boat owner, sorry about that, has also removed a Ray Marine chart plotter and replaced it with a magnetic iPad, which he loves. Those are new switch covers there. We've got a high water bilge alarm. So you really have everything you need. Tilt wheel. So you can see we've got remote control spotlight, and another feature that's quite unique to boats this size is we also have a windlass, which once you've had a boat, I always say once you've had a boat with a windlass and a vacuum flush head, you'll never go back. This boat has both. We do have a 5 kW Kohler generator with very low hours. Both the engine and the generator had a full service with thermostats, impellers, oil changes, filters. That was done in 2018. So you can see we have the sea deck throughout. As we take a step down below, so you've got a nice size V-berth with a cherrywood table. The only thing I've noticed in this boat, I don't even know if it'll show up, but there's a stain on this cushion which you might be able to steam clean out. Boy, other than that, this boat shows much newer than her actual age. Got a flat screen TV with DVD player. And we pan back around to the galley, which is a full galley. I don't know if you can hear, but the AC's running kind of softly. Microwave, single burner electric stove, refrigerator. Got some storage upper and lower. And come back around to the surprisingly large mid cabin. There's an AC vent back here also, so it'd be nice and cool to sleep back here or in the forward berth in the evening. Here's that high-end Clarion stereo system, or at least the receiver. Nice cherry wood door, access to the enclosed head. As we talked about, vacuum flush head system. Got the vanity with some storage down below. If you need it, you've got an opening window there. Of course, a nice big mirror. And that faucet will lift out and mount up here if you did decide you wanted to shower on the boat. And also remember, you do have the hot and cold transom shower as well. And back out in the cockpit, one more view of that full enclosure. All the way around, canvases are in good shape, certainly at least a couple